Hello everybody and welcome to the Golden Bags. Today we had a video chart, a non-compensated video chart on FRCN, Fireman's Constructors Inc. We look at this chart because we think we got here a nice stock that could move from his bottom building. We had here a nice support level. I will take it red. We had here a lot of hits and a nice bottom forming. The next level to move here on the upside is to break the line here at 12. If we could break 12, next level to move is the 3 and the 440. So the RSI also have room to move up. And when we look at the volume, we got here since September a nice accumulating on this stock. So it's look like that the stock is now under control and could move up nicely. So watch out for a greater move on this stock. The downtrend is also broken, which we have here. So have a nice Sunday. Um, and have a nice trading week. So see you on the golden bags. Bye.